DWG FastView Plus can do much more than just view CAD drawing files. One of the features, which can be very helpful, is the ability to convert drawing versions with DWG Convert tool. If you have created and saved CAD drawing with the latest DWG format and you want to distribute them to your clients for further revision, but your clients do not have the latest CAD program installed, don't worry, DWG Convert comes to your aid. Select DWG Convert tool to open its dialog box. Add one or more DWG files to the DWG Convert window. Select the format you would like the files to be converted to. You can modify conversion setups and create a standard setup for your clients. Every time you need to submit the files for the same clients, the setup will be available. Then hit the Convert button, and your files have been converted to the format you have selected in the conversion setup.